So we're going to start this half hour with some important news in the battle against Alzheimer's.
A panel of advisors to the FDA has voted unanimously to endorse a drug from Eli Lilly that could help slow the early progression of that disease.
NBC News medical contributor Dr. Narula is here to break it down for us. Dr. Narula, I mean, we need Alzheimer's drugs. Tell us about this one and what the hope is.
Yeah, as you said, it's been 30 years of this long, winding, frustrating road to finding some sort of drug therapy for Alzheimer's patients. Almost 7 million Americans affected. Last year, we saw the first approval of a drug, and this potentially may be the second. It is a monoclonal antibody similar to the one approved last year, which really targets those hallmark characteristic amyloid plaques in the brains that we see in patients with Alzheimer's. The idea is that it clears them out. Now, some people have said, is clearing them out really going to be effective, or is that just something we see in Alzheimer's patients, but actually removing it doesn't help? Well, the trial that was used to kind of push this new drug forward showed that in over 1,000 patients, there was about a 35% reduction in cognitive slowing in those with, mild cognitive impairment or mild Alzheimer's. Now, again, this isn't approved yet, but the panel, they usually follow the panel's recommendations. They did mention that this was really a white population that was studied, so it does need to be broadened out to African Americans and Hispanics as well.
This seems like a very promising drug, but you mentioned that there was another drug last year that was approved. So what's the difference between these two?
They're very similar. They're similar in their side effect profile. They're similar in the cognitive reduction or slowing of cognitive function. And they're really similar in the way they're given. So the one last year is given as a monthly or twice monthly injection. This one would be given as a once monthly infusion. I'm sorry, both are intravenous infusions.
Some of the side effects sound potentially serious. What are they?
So we always weigh the risk-benefit profile with drug therapy in patients. And when you look at the risks of these drugs, the one last year and this one, they're similar in the sense that they both produce these small micro hemorrhages or bleeds in the brain in some patients, or swelling in the brain. On average, about 20 to 30% of these are picked up on MRI scans. The issue is, though, even though we see them on the imaging, clinically, the real effects are minimal. So patients may have headache, confusion, nausea. In some cases, it could be seizures. There were 3 patients that died when this drug was studied in the trial. So, again, you have to talk about this with your doctor. But for a lot of Alzheimer's patients, when we know there's really 100% chance of decline, you weigh that against the kind of 1% chance of serious effects.
And the improvement was modest, but notable.
It was. And I think, look, this is a complex disease. It needs a complex and comprehensive and multifaceted approach. This is not a cure. It's not a home run, but it's something to provide to patients as we continue to explore other options. About 141 drugs being researched now for Alzheimer's.
Another tool in the toolbox.
Exactly.
Okay.
Thank you, Dr. Narula.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.